We got a 2023 Mercedes EQB key fob. I'll show you how to open it up to replace your battery. Press this button down on the back, take out the emergency key. We're gonna slide this back panel off too. You're gonna need to press and hold that same button down and slide the back panel off, okay? It can be a little finicky, a little tricky. So you can stick your fingernails kind of in the corner here and pull it off like that. Okay, now once you get it off, the battery's in this holder right here on this side. You're gonna need this flathead screwdriver or something flat to go ahead and pull it out. Carefully pry it out like this. Okay, so this comes out like that. Then we're gonna turn it over. You can pull the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. It's a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing down in the holder where you can't see it. We're gonna flip it back over. It goes back into the remote like this. All right. Now if you need a battery, I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon down in the description box. And you get your cover, and you're gonna need to slide it on here like this. It shouldn't lock on. You gotta have it on there flat or it won't go on. And you're pretty much all done. You get the emergency key, lock it back in here, whichever way it goes, like that. You're all good to go.